Once upon a time, there was a monkey who had no home of his own. Everyone called him Springs because he always bounced on his feet. He sold everything he owned, and with that money, he started traveling the world. He wanted to see the small and big wonders of the world. He visited villages, towns, cities. For his services, he would work anywhere for food and lodging. He was a cheerful monkey and loved to help people. One day, he passed through the village of Zivar, where 20 animals lived. He saw an old beaver, so he walked up to him and said, "Hello, Mr. Beaver. If I do some garden work for you today, would you give me something to eat?" Old Beaver agreed and asked Springs to take care of the garden and fix some things around the house. It was a long and tiring day for the spring monkey, but he enjoyed his day. When he returned home in the evening, the whole village had gathered there. There was a lot of food on the big wooden table, and everyone was celebrating as if a hero had arrived in their small village. They all had a great time evening. It was like a big party. There was dancing and lots of food, and Spring really enjoyed his evening. The next morning, when Springs the monkey was ready to leave, the old beaver came up to Spring with tears in his eyes and said, "Thank you for your joining us for dinner. Please come back whenever you have time. I had two children your age who I have not seen in 10 years. Spending time with you reminds me of my own children." Springs did not know what to say, so he hugged Beaver just like he was his father and went on his way with the promise to return one day. He saw the robbers who pushed him down and took his bag. When the robbers looked in his bag, they found only a rope, some tools, and some bread. They threw his bag on the ground and ran away. When the robber looked in his bag, they found only a rope, some tools, and some bread. They threw his bag on the ground and ran away. The monkey picked up his bag and continued his journey. He started thinking about all the good and bad in the world. The path was long, and finally the path led him to a dark forest. The only way to continue his journey was through the forest. Spring walked for over an hour and then realized he was lost. He decided to climb a tree to rest and eat some of the bread given by the villagers. Suddenly, Springs heard some voice calling for help. He got down from the tree and ran towards the direction from which the sounds were coming. He reached the place where the voice were coming from. He saw that the two robbers who had pushed him earlier that day were stuck in a deep hole in the ground. They were both trapped and unable to get out and were screaming for help. Springs quickly reached over to his bag and pulled out of the rope inside. He tied one end of the rope to a tree and threw the other end into the hole. Both robbers quickly climbed the rope and came out safely. The robber was surprised that Springs had saved him. He bent, asked, "Why did you help us? We pushed you and tried to rob you first." Springs replied, "There are good people and bad people in the world. Good people do good things and bad people do bad things. So I decided to be one of the good people." Both robbers were surprised by Spring's answer. Springs told the robbers, I have traveled far and wide, seen joy as well as sorrow. I have met all kinds of people, good, bad, old, and young. I have seen all kinds of evil. I have experienced things, but I have always tried to do only good. As Springs was leaving, he gave the two robbers some bread with a smile and said, I hope that I have said today will help you understand that it is always possible to live without harming others. There is a good way, so we should always think good and do good things that benefit the pupils.